up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Special delivery. Ooh, I think I know what this is. New dolls. Hopefully, these are the new Barbie Looks dolls I bought on Amazon for $25 each. Yeah! Barbie Looks number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. On the back of the box, we can see all the dolls together in their pastel fashion. This is Barbie Looks Wave 4, and they are fully articulated. I'm seeing some familiar sculpts here. Destinies, you in danger, girls. Let's get these dolls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, we have a little bit of box hair, so a little styling might be required. Yeah, we might need to do a little something here. My Ken doll definitely needs some attention. I would have loved to have seen him with a shorter haircut, like maybe flocked or bald, but that's totally a personal preference. I am team molded or sculpted hair too, so yeah. Oh wow. He looks like a match for our doll, Jules. So what that means to me is, if we attempt a haircut and it doesn't turn out okay, we have another option. But first, let's check out the clothes. He comes wearing a lime green shirt. It has a little stretch to it. It is hemmed at the top, at the sleeve, and at the bottom. I am glad he's not wearing shorts. The pants have stitch details. They're kind of lavender and seem similar to pants that we would get with a Barbie fashionista. The top and the pants are two separate pieces and Velcro in the back. Take care with the shirt, it does snag easily with the Velcro, in my experience. He comes wearing silver shoes. This is a buff Ken and has full made-to-move articulation. His hands are curled. However, since his skin tone seems to be just about the same as one of the earlier Barbie Looks dolls, you know, the one that had the braids on top, we can swap one hand so we can have a little variety. I just place their hands in hot water, softening the hand so it can be easily removed. Add the hand from the other doll while it's still warm to give them options. But we gotta do something about the hair. So let's take a trip to the salon. Sometimes you can just fluff up those curls right out of the box. But we're gonna attempt a haircut. There is a high probability this can go horribly wrong. Proceed with caution. I cut it a little low in some spots. We're gonna take some of the discarded hair and just cut it smaller. I'm gonna use some Mod Podge because that's what my doll friend said to use. And just dab it in the open areas. Then just add the cut hair wherever we wanna just fill in. I don't need his hair to move ever, so I'm okay with gluing it down. Allow it to dry, then brush off the excess hair. I have a piece of paper on the ground where I'm catching all the hair. Let's add a little Mod Podge to the sides and sprinkle on that hair dust. Let it dry, then just trim it up a little. I use acrylic paint to add a little facial hair. I'm using a nail art brush and ink from acrylic markers. All right, not too bad. Let's see if we can add a little bit of that leftover hair. I add a little satin Mod Podge, then sprinkle on some finely cut hair to give our Ken a new look. Not too bad. Honestly though, I was a little nervous going into this, but it didn't turn out too bad. I just had to be really careful with the Mod Podge to make sure I didn't leave things too shiny. Let me adjust his hairline right quick. I just took it straight across, and yeah, I like it. Doll 22 is described as petite with short auburn hair. It does have some product in it. She comes wearing a sparkly pink jumpsuit that comes up to the neck. The fabric goes all the way around and it closes with Velcro in the back. She wears silver shoes with a large heel. And of course, she has a made-to-move body. She has brown eyes with a mauve eyeshadow on the top and bottom. And her lips are pink with a pearly finish. Doll 20 has an original made-to-move body with long red hair. Right out of the box, it might need a little attention. I'm gonna give it a light curl just in the front on the sides. She's got these gray eyes, smoky eyeshadow, a pink pearly lip color. She wears a sleeveless top that goes up on the neck, a shiny metallic skirt. They are two separate pieces and Velcro in the back, and she has tall purple boots. I think out of all the outfits, this one is probably my favorite, with this pink outfit second. We have a pink halter top with a small cutout, a faux leather skirt with a little slit on the side, and pink boots. This doll is on an original made-to-move body with long black braids. Her hair has a lot of volume, so let's do a quick hot water rinse so we can get the braids to just relax a little. That's a little better, but it's still kind of a lot, and you can really see it when compared to this Barbie style doll. But if you like a lot of hair, then this is a non-issue for you. Out of the box, for me, doll 24 was pretty much good to go. She does have a little product in her bangs, and I give her ends just a light trim. I went ahead and gave her a quick rinse to get rid of some of the bumps from the elastic, and gave her hair a small curl at the bottom. This is a curvy Barbie with long brown hair, bangs, brown eyes, and a pink lip color. She wears a pink metallic dress with a silver ribbon across the top and clear straps. It velcros in the back, and she has a pair of pink heels. Doll 23 is on an original made-to-move body with long blonde hair. She has a side part, grayish blue eyes, soft makeup, wears a one-shoulder blue dress with a little sparkle to it. The fabric continues all the way around and velcros in the back. And she wears a pair of blue heels. Let's give her hair just a little bump. I actually decided to just go ahead and do some long curls. Yeah, I like that. Curling doll hair with a curling iron can be risky, so proceed with caution. You have been warned. With Barbie Looks Wave 4, I'm loving the more neutral makeup, the fact that they all come on made-to-move bodies. We get another buff Ken, which I would love to see in all the different skin tones, because this guy's in desperate need of a made-to-move body. The fashion is pretty simple. There might be a few pieces that we can mix and match. But you know what? Since their outfits are pretty simple, we can probably customize a few mini Barbie Land figures to have an inspired look. We can take our doubles and paint them. I painted this one pink with a little acrylic paint. I'm gonna add this pearlescent paint on top of the pink to give it a little shimmer. And now our mini Barbie Land figure has a similar style. Keep in mind that these figures do bend at the waist, so there's a possibility the paint could chip. While we already have the pink paint out, let's repaint Brooklyn, then add a few details. I made the top a tiny bit lighter. Let's add a little Mod Podge to the shorts to make it shiny. We can paint their hair to match the Barbie Looks dolls as best we can. Then we just paint their clothes and shoes to make the dolls minis. I have an extra one of these, so let's paint it as well to get a look that is kinda close. I think we can paint Barbie's outfit blue for our last Barbie Looks inspired mini Barbie. Sorry, Ken, I don't have a doll for you yet, but there's always next time. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Barbie Looks Wave 4 and made a few inspired mini-minis. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff, and we will see you next time.